Take one.
Hi, Bill Lethman here from Lethman Financial. I have a question for you. Are you buying group life insurance through your employer? If you are, there's a very good chance that you're probably paying too much. Most people think that because they're buying life insurance as part of a large group plan, that they must be getting a good deal. After all, isn't your company getting a big discount and then passing the savings on to you? Well, not exactly. You see, your insurance plan through work is a group policy, and it's offered equally to all qualified employees. Typically, if you're signing up for coverage during an open enrollment period, then there isn't any medical underwriting required. Anyone can get insurance, which means the insurance company has to price the insurance knowing that there are healthy people in the group and unhealthy people in the group. With the exception of smokers versus non-smokers, everyone pays the same rate based on their age. So if you're healthier than the average of the group, then chances are that you're probably paying too much. Here's how it works. A lot of employers provide a minimum amount of life insurance coverage without any cost as a benefit to their employees. This could be 1 or even 2 times your base salary. You may also be able to buy additional optional group life insurance for an out-of-pocket cost. This could allow you to buy up to 10 times your base salary in additional life insurance. With the optional coverage, you will pay an amount per $1,000 of insurance, usually broken down into age bands, something like this. So just like with all life insurance, the older you are, the more expensive it gets. In the beginning, the cost for buying, say, $500,000 of life insurance is relatively small, but as you get older, it gets considerably more expensive. By the time you're age 60, the cost is $213 a month. When you're age 65, it more than doubles to $430 a month. As an example, going with an outside insurance company, a 60-year-old male in good health could get $500,000 of life insurance for about $140 a month with a 10-year policy. So a little cheaper than the $213 he would be paying through the group plan. But remember, when he turns 65, his group coverage jumps to $430 a month, but his term policy remains at $140 until he turns 70. In this example, the outside insurance saves him $21,810 over the 10-year term. Another thing to keep in mind when buying life insurance through your company's group policy is what happens to the insurance if you leave the company or retire. There are some plans that allow for you to keep the insurance, but it'll likely come at a big increase in cost. Premiums for retirees or non-employees can be 30 to 50% higher. So when you're evaluating your group life insurance, here's a few things to consider. Request a rate sheet from your company's benefits department so you know exactly how much your insurance costs now and in the future. Number 2, think about how long you want or need the insurance coverage and compare the total cost over the entire term you plan to keep your group policy. Number 3, what is the likelihood that you will leave the company or retire? How portable is the policy and does it get more expensive? And finally, a lot of people buy insurance through their company but don't really understand how it works. Before you cancel or change insurance, be sure to get all the facts. If you do change insurance, don't cancel your old policy until the new one goes into effect. That's it for this video. Hope you got some great information here. If you'd like us to run a free, no obligation quote for you on any type of insurance, call our office. Even if it's after hours or on the weekend, you can leave a message and someone from our office will call you the next business day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.